suspect vehicle is a black BMW.
So I've looked back at some of the footage already from this Insta360 Go 3 camera, and I'ma tell you, the audio is pretty good. I'm not using any other external microphones or anything like that. I wanted to see what the raw footage looked like, and I'm not disappointed. I'm pretty impressed. The stabilization is really good. The footage isn't too shaky. I'm able to wear it really close, low down by my eyebrows so that you're not staring at the ceiling. You can angle it on the head mount. It's super usable. I really like it. I think tomorrow what I'll do, I'm gonna change up my driving. I'm gonna try and be as fuel efficient as possible. I think that'll be a neat exercise. We got 161 miles of range right there, and 161 miles, according to this, or 162, it went up for some reason, is half a tank. Now I do about 120 in a day, 110 miles in a day. Third of a tank. So if 160 is half a tank, 2/5, but it'll be less than half. Still a substantial amount. I guess one of the issues of a somewhat long commute in a sports car. I mean, this car only has what, 340-ish horsepower, but it's NA and all that. It's gonna suck back some fuel, but apparently that's still getting 16 miles to the gallon. What about all these guys driving these turbo cars or built Supras and tuned BMWs or supercharged Mustangs, or like a Lamborghini Murcielago, for instance, that's what, 8 miles to the gallon. Assuming the fuel tank is similar in size, my daily commute of 110-ish miles would use up all the fuel if it's the same fuel capacity. I don't know if a Murcielago has a bigger or a smaller tank than an E46 M3. We're still looking at 162. Mr. Toyota Highlander with he's holding his phone in his hand and he's on a phone call. Toyota Highlanders have Bluetooth, sir. You gotta be smart enough to know how to do that. Ugh. You struggling to stay in your lane for some reason? I'm stuck behind Mr. Hazmat over here. Chevy Spark. Those temp tags just don't look legit to me. Well, my range went up again. Now it's at 163. The lower RPMs, and I'm assuming the lower speed, that's what does it. I wonder how efficient I can get it. I am truly curious about what it takes to get yourself actually pulled over in this town. I think you got to be doing some crazy shit. I'm keeping my safe distance from Mr. Hazmat up in front of me. Got Colonel Mustard on the left. That's a dumb joke. Colonel Mustard. Jesus. I was about to commend you for having like actual registration and all that stuff, but you're not using your turn signals. Jesus Christ. It's just the thing. You don't want to let them know your next move for some reason. Ugh. Welcome to the McKinley Bridge. It's a neat cityscape. What's funny is not too far from here there is a town called Rockport. Ooh. Possibly built Honda? Not sure. How would you rate this trip on Google Maps? I don't know. It was fine. Alright. Well, nothing interesting ever really happens on this road. If something does, oh well. I mean, it's a shame. But, I think I'm gonna do what I did again yesterday. And not waste storage space for this section of the drive, because this section is, we're in Illinois now. It's a lot less exciting. People are less creative with, you know, their lane changes and all that stuff. Is this... What's wrong with... Alrighty, well, on that note, I'll see you guys in the next clip. Thank you guys for watching up to this point. It's kind of fun being able to do these sorts of videos. I've always wanted to do POV driving videos like Walterific with his moto vlogging stuff. Maybe this is finally... The line's right there, sir. Mr. Volkswagen Beetle. Maybe this is the formula. Maybe this is how it finally happens. Anyways, I'll see you all in the next clip.
Huh?
Well, I thought about not recording, but I am glad I did. That's a really, really bad spot to pull over, dude. That car must just be totally dead. Well, anyways, the plight of others aside, I wasn't going to record today, but I thought I may as well, because this thing sucks back fuel and I need to expense it. I've got 92 miles on the range. I'm just going to take it easy again. I'm at a quarter tank. Thought I'd film the way back. Almost done with training. I'm almost a car salesman, in case you guys didn't know that's what I was doing, in case it wasn't obvious enough already. But, yeah, I'll film this drive back. I got to get Nissan certified now with all their different products. Possibly every car in the lineup, which means I'm hopefully the Z. I really want to talk about the Nissan Z. Well, we'll probably do that next episode of the Ice Age. And, possibly even the GTR too. Got a nice red S197. Only downside is that while this car goes to California to be worked on and later to do a special event that I can't talk about yet, I'm gonna have to find a way to transport myself to work. So we'll have to figure that out somehow. Was that water? Oh no. Are we about to get rained on, boys? I swear to God, we get freaking rained on. Oh, there it is. There it freaking is. I can even kind of see the mistiness in the distance. Man, this is some bullshit. Well, turn on the wipers. Oh, we're just going straight into the storm. I've realized something, though it's mainly the cost of fuel. Oh boy. I've realized I don't need to be driving like a lunatic to be entertaining. Oh my God. Well, this is exciting.